Which is the better AI audio stock, SoundHound or Cerence AI? Cerence AI develops similar AI audio technology to SoundHound, but with a primary focus on the automotive and transportation markets. It leverages generative AI and large language models to offer a safer and more enjoyable experience for its passengers and drivers. Together with its partners, it has shipped more than 500 million cars using Cerence AI's audio technology. In regards to its new collaboration with NVIDIA, the company is looking to enhance its technology by adopting NVIDIA AI Enterprise for its Calm and Calm Edge models. This improves the speed and quality of the in-car interactions while introducing agentic AI capabilities in the future. Like SoundHound AI, Cerence has a strong IP pipeline with roughly 650 patents protecting its technology. Though both have solid and proven products as well as established customers with globally recognized brands, I'm giving the advantage to SoundHound AI on this one because of the quality and high differentiation of its technology.